Honestly, I haven't vlogged like this in ages. It feels like ages. I uploaded my last vlog on April 15th. So it's been a while, guys. Well, I do have some life updates. I'm engaged now. It was very romantic, very cool. And it happened in Barcelona. So Barcelona will forever hold a special place in my heart. Yes, I know. I'm such a romantic. And what else? I've been busy. I've been busy traveling. I've been busy working. And I thought, because I was traveling and I did some travel vlogs, that I would have, you know, some content to show you guys and produce some quality content in the time that I'm posting those travel contents. But then work just got so much and so much to do that I am recording this and posting it tomorrow. So this is exactly the time where you guys can tell me what you want to know. I do have new observations about the GoPro Hero 10. I will probably talk about that in another video because it was a total different experience in Spain. And generally, yeah, I'm busy. I'm so tired. I do need coffee or something, but I'm also too lazy to do something, so I might just go out and get some coffee. Like, actually leave the house. Because I think like fresh air might also be helpful. Okay, I think I'm slightly overexposed because actually it's quite cloudy and I didn't expect it to be as bright as it is right now. I have cat hair on my face. I don't trust the weather. It was supposed to rain the last like 2 days and it didn't rain. And I always carried my raincoat with me. And today I was like, yeah, it's not supposed to rain, so I'm not taking my raincoat with me. And I feel like today might be the day it might actually rain. And I'm meeting with a friend because drinking coffee alone is only something you do in the morning. I definitely regret not bringing my sunglasses because it's very, very sunny. I still don't understand how it's not raining at all. And I'm warm. I need coffee. When a coffee day turns into a 4-hour-long conversation about life and everything, I'll take that as a very good sign. And now I'm back in my hood. Yeah, I just did that. And you know, I'm gonna end this vlog here because it's already pretty late. And tomorrow is another day of shooting for me. So I'm gonna be on the road again. I know this channel is a little bit out of hand these weeks because I'm so busy, but let me know what you guys want to see on this channel. Do you want more vlogs? Do you want tutorials? Do you want tips on productivity, freelancing, photography, videography? Doesn't really matter. Drop me a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.